Good day, everyone. My name is Hazelantia Vargas from BSHM 3B. Today, we are tackle about RE 9262, Violence Against Women Under Child Act of 2024. Republic Act Number 9262, an act defining violence against women and their children, providing for protective measures for victims, prescribing penalties, therefore, and other purposes. So, Republic Act Number 9262, this law protects women and their children from all forms of abuse and violence done by their husband, partner, or anyone in a relationship with. So, ang purpose ani is physical, emotional, sexual, or psychological. Then, ga-protect ni siya sa kanang kuan bitaw sa mga violence, protected from all forms of any violence. So, Section 2, Declaration of Policy. It is a hereby declared that the state values the dignity of women and children, guarantees full respect for human girls. The state also recognizes the need to protect the family and its members, particularly women and children, from violence and threats to their personal safety and security. So, this section means that government values and respect the dignity and rights of women and children. So, promise gud ni siya nga from any form of violence, abuse, or harm. Kini nga law gi-recognize good or kanang gi-secure good ta nga safe, gi-secure ang atong safety as a woman. Para dili lagi na bitag ginaabusaran like ikana. So nana possibility nga sila preso or na sila violence nga i-face nila. So in short, the government policy is to ensure that women and children live free from violence and treated with respect and equality. So mao na siya ang kuan. So let's proceed. Violence against women. Any act of service committed by any person against woman who is wife, former wife, or na siya. So this means that violence against women happens when a man or any person hurt a woman kung kasal sila in a relationship or naa sila anak. The violence can be in many forms of physical. So ang physical is hurting body person, like ginakulatan nimo siya, ginasumbag, or anything else nga physical. Tapos sexual, forcing her to do sex. So i-force nimo ang tao nga mag-sex mo nga dili siya mosugot or kanang bitang without permission nga kuan. So kanang imo siyang rape po ning ana. So mo na siya ang sexual. Tapos ang psychological is about mo na siya ang kanang causing emotional and pain or fear kanang bitang imo silang kuanon kanang hadlokon or kanang hadlokon nimo or imo silang ginapasakitan kanang pinaagi sa kanang pag-istorya nga sakit ingana is one of kuan po na sa psychological tapos kanang hadlokon nimo sila nga imo sila nga patyon ka or anything nga makahadlok sa ilaha. Or pod kanang last is economic abuse. So economic abuse is controlling her money or not giving support. So ginakontrol ka sa imuhang husband or partner about money. So kanang murag wala lang bitaw kanang murag refuse ra kaniya as a wife bitaw kanang murag wala kay karapatan nga mokuan. So siya na ang mo control sa imuha. So naa po na sila ikuan, pwede po sila kuan ana. So next is physical violence. Refers to an act include bodily physical harm. So mana na kung ingon gayon nga physical violence is kanang kini nga law is ga protect sa women and children from these harmful actions to make sure they are safe, respected, and treated with dignity. So kanang ginakuan sila. So physical violence means any act that hurts a person's body. So mo to siya nga any kind of physical attack that cause pain or injury, like ginasumbag ka, then kanang anon ka dunggabod or patio di ngana kanang mo kuan siya mo kuan og harm. Next is sexual violence. So refers to an act which is sexual in nature committed against women and their child. So ang sexual violence means act that is sexual in nature and done without woman's or kanang monto ko ingon kay na bitang nang pugson ka like without permission. So naka-cause siya og pain, fear og kuan trauma. Like ikaw rapon ka di ba nga trauma ka kung so mana siya ang sexual violence. So nagapon sila law ana. So dili basta-basta kay naay tayoy ang atubang na imo og kaso. Tapos psychological violence refers to acts or omission causing or like to cause mental or emotional suffering of the victim, just as but not limited to intimidation, harassment, stalking, damage to property, public ridicule, or humiliation, repeated verbal abuse, and mental infidelity. So, a psychological violence means hurting someone's feeling or mind through actions or words. So, kanang mag-joke di ay ka tapos nakasakit na sa iya. So, gapo na psychological violence nang sakit na imong istorya sa ilahana. So, so it includes like threatening kanang bantaan ka kanang bitang inon ka nga patyon ka ayan na threatening kanang ginaanuhan ka. Tapos harassment, so gina-harass ka, then stalking, then insulting, tapos embarrassing kanang pakaulawan ka sa daghang tao. So ra ba na, tapos or constantly shouting at a person. So kanang anuhan ka kanang singgitan bitaw ka nang di man ta nakabungol ingana ba. Tapos kini nga act is kanang makuan og sakit bitaw nga sa feelings. So kahadlok or ma-stress ang victim. So Last is economic abuse. Economic abuse means a woman financially dependent or helpless. Helpless means kanang walang magawa or walang wala. Char lang. So first we have withdrawal or financial support or preventing the victim from engaging in any legitimate profession, occupation, business, or activity, except in case wherein the other spouse, partner object on valid, serious, and moral grounds as defined in Article 73 and Family Code. So, this means that persons stop giving financial support or does not allow the woman to work, do, do a business, or earn money for herself. So, example, kanang dili ka pa work kon sa imong husband kay as a wife nara ka sa balay pero kanang gusto jud kang mutabang sa sa family as anong makakuan ka sa financial pero dili ka patrabahon sa imong husband like dra ara ka sa imong balay so ka kanang ginabawalan so ano ginabawalan ka mao na siya so wa kay makuan. So next is deprivation or threat or deprivation of financial resources and the right to the use of enjoyment of conjugal community or property owned in common. So this means stopping or threatening to stop someone, usually wife or partner, nga mugamit sa kwarta or property so na kay right to share. So but form of economic abuse gikontrol niya ang para sa imo like financial resources or shared property. So a husband ibaligya ang inyong balay tapos without permission nimo biskan kanang inyong balay duha tapos ibaligya niya nga wala siya nalangin sa imo so po na siya gapon day kuan. So next is destroying household property. So kanang destroying household property means breaking or damaging things in the house to hurt or threaten the woman. So example kanang gaaway mo tapos ang imong husband is kanang mangguba bitaw siya mga gamit like kanang ipanumban niya ang mga TV or bisan unsa so gakuan nga po na siya og kuan economic abuse. Next is controlling the victims on money to properties or solely controlling the conjugal money properties. So means 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 not allowing the woman to use or manage her own money or shared money. So example is kuhaon tanan ang kwarto sa imong husbands so wala na kay magamit if naa kay gamitan. So that's all, thank you.
And good afternoon, sir. So I'm Rianmi Alohan. Continues report ni Ms. Hazel Antia Burgas. So the continuous is first is battery. Battery refers to an act implementing physical harm upon the woman and her child, resulting to the physical and psychological emotional distress. So ang battery is ang physical harm upon the woman. Like for example is like pag makita bito sa bata nga ginabunog ang usa ka ginikanan like mag-cause siya through anxiety like ma-depress sila, maapektuhan ng ilang emotional nga mga kuan, mga panguna-una kay marag matrauma sila sa like for example na usa ka family then sa kanang nga family is ang mother ana is ginabunog sa father. So every time nga ginabunog siya is ang pagmakita sa sa bata is like ma-trauma bitaw sila. Like, ano nga na trauma is madala na nila hangtod sa magdako sila. Then, second is battered woman syndrome. Refers to a scientifically defined pattern of psychological and behavioral symptoms found in women living in battering relationship as a result of cumulative abuse. So, ang battered woman syndrome kani is nasa ginikanan na gyud. So, sa bae, like, pag ginakulata ang bae is, like, pag, like, for example, na ay kuan ka partner. So, every time nga makulatahon sa laki ang bae is mag-result siya sa kuan depression. So, kapag ma-depress ang bae, pwede nga mag-suicide siya, kay maapektuhan man ang iyang mental health. So, pwede siya like makahunahon na siya, gusto na siya mag-suicide, or else magka-anxiety siya, or else nga naipud uban nga pag ginakulata bitaw, pag masubraan na sa kulata is mag-cause siya to nga mabuang, like like di na nila makontrol ang ilang kaugalingon tungod sa like mga ginabuhat sa ilahan, no. Then third is stalking. Stalking refers to intentional act committed by a person who knowledgeably and without lawful justification follows the woman on her child or places the woman or her child under surveillance directly or indirectly on their triro. So kasagaran kanang makabatitag sa stalking is kanang naay bitaw like giimbestigahan ang usa ka tawo kana, di ba? So makaano pud tag stalking sa like maka-abuse po siya kay, like for example na usa ka tawo, no, i-connect na ni way sa kanang kuan, like for example nagdemanda ka, so sa ginimanda nimo imong partner tungod kay gikolata ka, then nagbuwag mo, then gidala nimo imong anak. So sa pagdemanda nimo is katong partner nimo is dili siya mosugot nga makulong siya. So ang gibuhat niya is ginasundan ka, naghimo siya way nga para mabal-an kung asa ka nagpuyo, asa ka naga asa ka naga kuan, asa nimo ginadala imong anak. So sa pag follow niya sa imuha is naa siya intention. Ang intention niya is uh, kuan, wata kabalo kung sa intention niya, like like patyon ba or something nga bantaan ing ana. Then next is dating relationship. Refers to a situation wherein her partners live as husband and wife without the benefit of marriage, or are romantically involved over time and not continuing biases during the course of the non-presentational. So, ang dating relationship is kani siya relationships nga wala pa magpakasal. So, naa pa sila sa kon nga mag-live-in lang kana. Then, next is sexual relationship. Refers to a single sexual act which may or may not result to a varying of a common child. Then, next is safe place or shelter. Refers to any home, institution maintained or managed by the Department of Social Development or DSWD. So kabalo naman tanong unsa ang DSWD. So ang DSWD is kani sila ang nag-adapt sa mga tao nga wala nay ginikanan. Like for example sa mga bata nga nagpakalat-kalat na lang sa nagpakalat-kalat na lang sila sa mga agianan. So sila ang nagakuha ana nga mga bata, or sa mga ginikanan po ginaano po sila dira. Then children refers to those below 18 years of age or older but are incapable of taking care of themselves as defined under Republic Act number 7610. So kani siya is children is kanang mga 18 years old nga dili pa bitaw kaya nila nga anuhon, like di pa nila kaya nga alagaan ng ilang mga kaugalingon. Then, next is a century of approach. Relationship past or present, married or not, living in or not, sexual or dating relationship, including lesbian, relationship with a common child. Then, second is reliable persons on work or violence against woman and their child. Husband or ex-husband, boyfriend or ex-boyfriend, father or woman's child, lesbian girlfriend or partners, or the partners, and any persons with whom the woman has had a sexual or dating relationship.
So I'm the last reporter. So Section 5, Acts of Violence Against Women and Their Children. So the crime violence against women and their children through any of the following acts. So causing physical harm to the woman on her child, then threatening to cause the woman or her child physical harm, attempting to cause the woman or her child physical harm, and the last one is desist from conduct which they have a right to engage in or attempting to restrict or restricting the woman's or her child freedom or movement or conduct by force or threat. So in Section 5 of the Philippines Act, issued Anti-Violence Against Women and the Children Acts is defined various acts like violence that are punishable by law. So including physical harm and threats, sexual violence, psychological harm or like verbal abuse and causing mental anguish. So economic abuse such as denying financial support and restricting a victim's freedom of movement. So like kanang for example sa mga violence under section 5 is like mga physical harm, mga physical violence, mga sexual violence, so psychological violence, economic violence. So the next one is section 7, venue. So the regional court designated as a family court shall have original and inclusive jurisdiction over cases of violence against women and their children under the law. So in the section 7 means like can refer to different legal context depending on the law being cited. So most commonly it refers to the venue for cases involving violence against women and their children under Republic Act 9262. So Anti-Violence Against Women and the Children Act. Like so for cases of mga violence act is against the women and children is like mga like primary venue, so the regional trial court are designated as a family. So the next one is section 8, protection orders. So is an order issued under this act for the purpose of preventing further acts of violence against a woman or her child specified in section 5 of this act and granting other necessary. So in section 8, so in the section 8 is like refers to the protection orders. Like these orders can be temporary or permanent and are designed to prevent further abuse by providing relief to the victim, such as prohibiting the abuser from committing acts of violence or harassment, like prevent violence, provide reliefs, minimize disruption. So the next one is section 35, rights of victims. So to avail assistance from of the Department of Justice to be respect with dignity, to be entitled to support service from the SWD. So in section 35 is like this is the victims of violence against women and children's specific rights, which include being treated with respect, having access to free legal assistance from the Public Attorney's Office or PAO, so receiving support service from the Department of Social Welfare and Development or the DSWD, and local government units or the LGUs, so being entitled to all legal so remedies under the family code and being informed about the rights and available support services. So in the section 40, mandatory programs and service for victims, the SWD and LGU shall provide the victims temporary shelter. So in the section 40 means is magkuhan sila program ang SWD ug LGU is mag-provide sila sa mga nabiktima o mga temporary lang nila nga puy-an. So anong mean is sa section 40. So in the section 41 is counseling and treatment offending. So this that we provide service is counseling and treatment. So example is it could refers to the legal protection of witnesses from improper questioning in the Australian Evidence Act, a list of approved independent special needs schools in the mga special needs sa schools sa mga bata. So mo ang sa section 41. So the last one is section 45. So the Gender and Development or GAD is budget of the mandated agencies and LGU shall be used on the service for victim. And section 45 is like so its meaning depends entirely on the specific legal code being referenced, such as the Philippine Revised Penal Code, the Modern Slavery Act in the UK, or the Data Privacy Act. It can refer to the forfeiture of criminal proceeds. So that's all. Thank you.